Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. So, if you are offering any downloadable links on your website regarding any softwares or applications, and you are not adding the schemas for those, then you are missing a main part of SEO. So, if we are offering any software or application on our website, then what we can do is we can add the details of that specific application into the schema code on our website. So let us study how we can generate that schema and how we can implement that on our website. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to go to InstantSchema.com website, and then click on the generate schema over here. From here we can select which type of schema we are gonna generate, and that's a software or application schema. For example, my application name is TikTok APK, and I wanna paste the description of that application over here. Then here we need to place the author name. For example, it's Atif, and then operating system that is required to use that application. For example, I wanna write 10 plus, and then application category. For example, it's an entertainment category, and then the price of that application or software. So if it's for free, then we can add 000 over here, and then we need to place the link from where the user can directly download this. So I have, as a sample, I have placed a sample link over here that can be something like this. So that's how your schema will be generated. You can copy it from here. Then you can use this on your page wherever you have offered that specific application. For example, it's the download button of that specific application. Then what we can do is we can drag an HTML field under that button. So I'm dragging it, drop it over here, and then here we can paste the code that we have generated, and then click on publish. That's how your application or software schema will be implemented on your website. And now, for example, if some users searches for free entertainment apps, then maybe our website gets shown over there, because in the schema code we have told the crawler of Google that the application that we are offering is costing 0.00. That means it's free. And if someone searches for the entertainment apps for operating systems under 11, so maybe our website will be shown, because we have told Google crawler that the system that is needed to run this application or software is only 10 plus. So and this type of queries, if someone searches, then our website can be get shown over there. But the main point is schema don't help us rank directly, but in terms of this type of searches, maybe we can appear and it can increase the CTR.